Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will see how to show Amazon ads anywhere on your website or blog with the Ad Inserter plugin. Don't forget to support us. Please subscribe to our channel and share. To begin, what we need to do is connect to your WP Admin dashboard. Click on Plugin, Add New, and look for Ad Inserter. Click on Install and Activate. Click on Settings. Here we can insert your ads. Connect to your Amazon affiliate program. Click on Product Linking, then go on Native Shopping Ads. Here we have three ad types that we can create. The first would be recommendation ads. Place native shopping ads in product article pages to automatically display the relevant product recommendations from Amazon based on your page content and visiting users. The second would be search ads. Native shopping ads allow your visitors to take advantage of search results from Amazon directly on your website. Finally, the third, custom ads. Handpick your favorite products that you would like to promote and place the ad unit within your product article posts. In this example, we try with recommendation ads. Click on Create Recommendation Ads. Choose your ad's name, for example, Sports Ad. Select Ad Format, Grill, List, or Strip. Click Preview to customize your ads. Check categories that you need to show ads according to the content of your article or your website. The default category is all Amazon.com, and you can keep or change it if you need targeted products. Search keyword is required to continue. Click on Save and view ad code. Select Code and Copy Paste to insert on Ad Inserter plugin. Return to WP Admin. Here we can paste and set up more ads as needed. Paste the code on your first screen and choose options where you need to show ads to your visitors, such as check Post, Home Page, Category Page. On insertion, click on the drop-down list and choose after, between, or before paragraph 1, 2, and 3, after, between, or before image 1, 2, and 3, after, between, or before post. You can choose alignment. You can also select list, manual, device. After you finish customization, click on the save setting. Now we see how it looks, and we're done. I hope this video can help you to use the Ad Inserter plugin with Amazon. Thank you for watching.